This meal changed everything. Because apparently, I didn't know it was a date. 7th of February 2017, my birthday. I had Indian food for the first time with a friend from uni. I showed up in sweatpants and gym bag on my shoulder. He showed up in a nice checked shirt. And later that meal, I found out he also brought something with him. That was the moment I realized I misunderstood everything. I didn't know what that meal meant, but I knew exactly what it tasted like. So today, on my birthday, 9 years later,
I want to recreate that meal. Would it still taste the same?
I've had a lot of Indian food since then, but this is my first time cooking it. Mango lassi felt like a safe place to start. I remember telling him mango was my favorite fruit, which I'm also allergic to. But only after eating 6, I found out when I ate 7 in a row. Still my favorite fruit, because love hurts. Wow, great icebreaker, Anru. But he laughed. I remember how sweet and creamy that sip was. We talked so much, the drink was gone before I even noticed. Then the small dish arrived, Bhel. Back then, I'm pretty sure neither of us knew what Bhel was. We were discovering this chaotic, crunchy, colorful magic as it popped in our mouth. I couldn't find tamarind chutney, so I'm improvising. Which feels very accurate, because I was definitely improvising on that day too. Sitting there in my ready for gym sweatpants, thinking this was supposed to be a quick lunch, while it slowly turned into a full meal. But this is the guy I just sent memes to this morning. What is going on? And then the main dish. Well, I'm Chinese, so anything with rice is the main dish to me. When the waiter brought out that steaming pot of chicken biryani, we both made the same sound. Wow. Come to think of it, that was probably the only moment we stopped talking. Honestly, if it weren't for the bold flavors of Indian food, I might not remember what we ate at all. It's funny how you don't realize you were inside a moment while it's happening. The background blurs, the noise fades, just two good friends laughing non-stop on their very obvious not a date. The meal felt short and forever at the same time, but the real turning point came at the very end, with the birthday gift he brought me.
I will show you after we eat.
So, that friend I had lunch with 9 years ago is now my husband. And no, this meal doesn't taste the same. I guess it's not supposed to. Back then, it tastes like surprise. And now, it tastes like home. This was the gift he gave me that day. For the joy of your beautiful mind and your wicked, wild, weird, wacky, weary, wobbly, wrong, and wonderful sense of humor. I guess some meals, the flavor stays with you for life.